Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Nick from Simple TV, and today we're going to review the Icons Classic Land Rover Defender 90, set 10317. The set has an astounding 2,336 pieces, it's 18 plus, and there's 15 numbered bags, a sticker sheet, and a booklet. Looking at the booklet, we learn a bit more about the different Land Rover Defenders, previous generations, and what sets them apart, etc. We hear a bit from the designer, and then get right into the build. Bag 1 builds the accessories, bags 2 to 11 builds the truck, and 12 to 15 builds the roof rack. We should also mention that you can choose to build two different versions of the truck, one with the roof rack and one without. Now, this is an interesting set because it's not a Technic, but an Icons theme, which switches things up from the now retired LEGO Defender Modern Edition, which was the last one. The set is also interesting because there's a high attention to detail, lots of opening mechanisms, which is great for display, and the popping iconic green color. The tires are nice and bulky, there's a big roof rack which carries the car jack, fuel carriers, and a big tool chest. Around the cars there's a pickaxe, sledgehammer, shovel, and axe. The Defender also has a snorkel and a big tow winch at the front. All of the lighting on the roof rack, and not to mention seating at the back of the truck. There's also a large fuel extinguisher, traction plates, and a ladder to get on the roof. To finalize our review, the price is 330 Canadian dollars, which is a bit more than the last Defender, but it's got a lot more detail, a working suspension, and great steering too. It would also look great to your other Defender. I'm Nick, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon.